Hello guys, I am Dinesh from ECE department. In this video, we are going to stimulate FM frequency modulation and PM phase modulation. First, we will see this equation and compare these both equation. This is a major difference in this equation is here. And sine term is present here and cos term is present here. And we varying the beta value which is the modulating index and FM value which is the frequency of message signal. By varying this we get the and analyze the output of FM. Let here beta is del F by FM. Usually we can take the value of Fc and Fm carefully because Fc is always greater than 10 times greater than Fm. Now, so only I will take here Fm equal to 1.75 and Fc is equal to 17.5 to get proper output and clear waveform. We will take like this by substituting all those value above equation. We can get a waveform like this. See, we can get a waveform like this. For a FM signal, we can get a output like this. We can zoom and we'll see the what is the waveform. This is the waveform of FM signal. Now we can substitute the value in the PM equation and we can notice the operation. See, this is the PM equation. See, this is the PM equation. Zoom and see. And this is the FM equation. Usually there is no difference between the FM and PM. By just see like this, the both waveform is similar to each other. See, the waveform is similar each other. Okay, we move on case 2. Here we can vary the beta value and keeping the FM constant 1.75. For this we can get the output like this for FM equation. I am keeping the beta equal to 6 and Fm is constant. Beta is 6 and Fm is constant for both cases. We can observe the graph. It is similar to Fm. Some small difference only we noticed, and by increasing beta value to 9, we observe here there is a small gap between the two waves. Compare the two waves, there is some similarity. Here wave is small conjected, then this gap is higher than this wave. Now we can compare this. Small difference, similar only. Now we move on case 3. This is the last case. Now vary the both Fm and beta value. For varying both this value, for what we can get means we can get like this. We can get like this. See here also same wave, here some difference between themselves. More or less the gap is potential charged in this equation. Okay, we move on conclusion. Modulated frequency increase the frequency separation between sideband. Increasing modulation frequency for a given of level of deviation reduce the modulation index. As the result, it reduce number of sideband with signified amplitude. This as the result of reducing the bandwidth. This is all about stimulation wave. Thank you.